What if rejection is not your weakness, but your greatest advantage? What if every no you've ever received was actually pushing you closer to success? In today's digital world, the people who win are not the smartest. They are the ones who can handle rejection the best. And if you learn this one mindset, you will become unstoppable. Let's be honest, nobody likes rejection. Being ignored, being told you're not good enough, getting 0 views, 0 likes, 0 results. It hurts. Whether you're starting a YouTube channel, building an online business, applying for jobs, or trying something new, rejection feels personal. But here's the truth most people don't understand. Rejection is not stopping you, it is shaping you. And in the digital economy, rejection is your greatest asset. We are living in a new world, a world where anyone can start a business online, build a personal brand, make money from content, reach millions of people. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and social media have changed everything. But there's one thing they don't tell you. You will be rejected again and again. Your first videos will get no views, your content may be ignored, people may criticize you, and most people quit right there. But the ones who succeed, they understand something powerful. Rejection is part of the process. Most people don't fail because they lack skill. They fail because they can't handle rejection. One negative comment, one failure, one bad result, and they stop. Why? Because they take rejection personally. They think, I'm not good enough. This is not for me. I should give up. But rejection is not about your worth. It's about your current level, and levels can be improved. Here's the shift that changes everything. Rejection is feedback. Every no is telling you something. Improve your skill, change your strategy, try a different approach. Successful people don't avoid rejection. They study it. They ask, why didn't this work? What can I improve? How can I do better next time? That's how growth happens, not in comfort, but in correction. In the digital world, most people quit early. That means if you don't quit, you already win. Think about it. If 100 people start, 80 quit after failure, 15 quit after criticism, 4 quit after slow results. Only 1 keeps going. Be that 1. Rejection filters out the weak mindset. It builds mental toughness, patience, consistency, and those are the real skills of success. Here's how you turn rejection into power. 1. Stop taking it personally. Your content failed, not you. Separate your identity from your results. 2. Learn from every failure. Every failure is data. Improve something every time. 3. Increase your attempts. More attempts equal more chances to win. Post more, try more, do more. 4. Build emotional strength. Train yourself to stay calm under rejection. That's your competitive advantage. 5. Stay consistent. Success is not about one try. It's about showing up again and again. Every successful creator has a story of rejection. Videos with 0 views, ideas that failed, people who doubted them. But they didn't stop, and that's why they made it. Listen carefully. Rejection is not your enemy. It is your training. Every no is preparing you for a bigger yes. The digital economy rewards one thing: consistency under pressure. If you can handle rejection, you can handle success. So next time you get rejected, don't quit. Smile and say, "This is making me stronger," because one day, all those rejections will become your success story. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, because someone out there is about to quit, and this might be the message they need.